Police state. Stifles. Police state. Stifles.
Mayday! It's one of those days where you're supposed to say, I've worked all year, why don't I have a holiday today? Alright?
Oh no, everybody spread the word. We're gonna have a celebration.
I'm holding.
What he needs is a bit more music to help him
What's happening?
Police state. Stifles. Police state. Police state. Stifles. Big brother is watching. Police state. Stifles. Big brother is watching.
XB92, that's quite unnecessary by the way. XB92, that was excessive. It will be reported as such to your superintendent.
Hey, what are you filming on there? Well, don't want you filming me. Let me have a look, rewind it.
Oh, we weren't filming, there's nothing on there. In fact, it's broken down.
Now give it this, and I think I know how to use it.
You went from Randy, right?
Oh, here we go.
Where you from?
What on earth has that got to do with anything?
I'm from Battersea, you get me?
Oh, fucking big hard man, right next to Fulham, aye. Oh, no, Battersea, yeah. I lived in Hackney last 6 years, mate.
Hey, you, let me see what's on that film. Oh, rewind it, give me your camera.
Right, okay, can I have your name, please? I'd like to take your name.
I ain't got a name.
Oh, really?
I ain't got a name or number.
Okay, then can I take your number? Yeah, that's right now. Turn your back, walk away. Taking advantage of your poxy little sad badge. What a pair of pathetic, overgrown, thick, playground bully types. Wannabe bullies. Sad fucking losers.
Sorry, what's
asking you to understand.
Sorry, what's the problem?
People aren't actually being held back there.
Okay, cool. Can I ask what the problem is?
Which is the information that you really need?
What's happening? What's going on right now?
Mayday, demo.
Yeah, we have a big party for all our glory. we have a very, very weak sound system.
No, the sound system.
Is watching. Unfortunately, the Mayday events were not covered in the press the next day. Apart from like a few pictures of, oh, here's a march to the International Labour Day in somewhere in East Europe or something like that, but none of the London events. What we've got to do though, fucking smash some windows up, blow something up, graffiti things. Let's fucking do it, let's do it. Do it the fucking night before.
That's awesome. Go on.
Yeah, I don't know. Done